Alright, it's a few days late, but my Christmas present is finally here. It was on back order. This is a family effort from my mom, dad, brother-in-law, and sister. They all chipped in, but here it is, right here. Sweet. The whole video game thing. I learned that from a video game. From video games. Yeah, I'm not going to forget this one. This one will always be remembered as my present for 2017. Pretty memorable. Alright, New Year's coming up. I already picked out the game of the year in my head. I didn't review many games this year, so if you follow my channel, you probably know which game's going to get game of the year this year. So I should have that video up the first week of January, and then from there I'll do a lot more video game reviews. I have another camera to review. This channel will be well balanced with different content. Alright everyone, hope you all had a great Christmas. Have a safe New Year. I want to see you guys back on here safe in 2018. Alright everyone, kick ass, be safe, take it easy.